North Korea knows how to put on a parade, and this week it's pomp on overdrive. Celebrations are building up ahead of Saturday's so-called Day of the Sun, the 105th anniversary of the nation's founder, Kim Il-sung. But the flowers and fanfare cannot mask what the international community sees as a growing nuclear threat. Speculation is rife that the military is to conduct another test imminently. Satellite imagery show continued activity at the Punggye-ri nuclear test site, which monitoring groups determined to be primed and ready. In a rare interview, a senior official has spoken out, blaming the United States for provoking the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, or DPRK, the official name of the North.
We've concluded that Trump's policy towards the DPRK is becoming more vicious and more aggressive. It's not the DPRK, but the U.S., which makes problems. A nuclear test is something that our Supreme Headquarters decides. At a time and place that the Supreme Headquarters deems necessary, it will take place.
A U.S. aircraft carrier group is currently on the move to the waters off the Korean peninsula, as the U.S. military conducts its biggest ever joint exercises with South Korea. President Trump has also been tweeting on the issue, saying that the North is looking for trouble.
I don't know if this sends a message. It doesn't make any difference if it does or not. North Korea is a problem. The problem will be taken care of.
North Korea has conducted 5 nuclear tests in the past. The most recent in September was the largest. The regime's hallmark unpredictability intensifies the threat of the next test, whenever it may be. Gerald, Al Jazeera.